Previously on Gerald.
Tune in, same bat channel, same bat time.
Man, just cut the video off. What are you doing?
That was corny.
That was so corny. Oh, hey, buddy. Yeah. Can I just say,
Here we go.
that clip you just gave, that was weak. That wasn't even a show.
Right.
That was like the very last part of
Whatever.
it. It was literally right before this
You all
part.
right, man?
What kind of clip is that?
Well, I guess Buddy's doing all right.
I'm doing great.
So I'm working on my door panels.
So,
I just cut off a piece of the tree so that I could glue the door panel to the door.
and
And you could be quiet. Yeah, what happened to your intro? I just figured I'd use non-copyrighted music. Can't get paid with a copyright, huh? Yeah, I don't get paid for this.
oh, I know.
So what did you say that for?
I was just trying to make conversation.
Just trying to shut up. You shut up.
Anyway, I glued a piece of the sprue onto the
Okay.
door so that
Why?
it could hold the door panel.
Yeah, to give it a
And
little.
then I'm gonna depth.
Can I
Or,
finish with what I was
what's the
saying?
opposite of depth?
Oh my
depth.
god,
Depth.
stupid.
Depth.
Yeah, none of those.
What's the word?
I think you're looking for. I'm an idiot. I'm a what? I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. What? Sorta. Now just say it slow. I'm an idiot. Yep, you got it. I'm an idiot. That don't even make sense. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait, what? Did you just call me an idiot? Nope. I believe you called yourself an idiot. And I agree. Now can I please continue with what I was saying? Continue. Thank you. So now, I'm just heating up this end of the sprue so that I could stick it through the hole where the dash is supposed to go.
So you're filling the hole because that part will be seen when you open the door, right?
Wow. I'm so proud of you, buddy. You finally got it.
Oh man, you know, I'm growing up.
Oh, brother. Anyway, are you really proud of me? So this next part, don't get stuck on this paint because this is not the final paint. I may use this color, but this ain't the final coat or whatever. Because I just started using my airbrush and
You talk too much.
I just learned.
Don't worry,
that
guys.
when you're using an
I got you.
airbrush, prior
Blah,
to that,
blah blah blah
to
blah.
prepare your surface,
Blah blah blah
you
blah.
need to use a finer
blah
grit
blah blah
sandpaper.
blah.
You know,
Blah 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 blah.
basically
blah.
polish it up or whatever.
Blah, blah,
because
blah,
every
blah.
little scratch is going to show
Blah,
through
blah,
once you
blah.
spray that coat of
Blah.
paint on it. And
Blah 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 blah.
yeah, at this point I'm just rambling.
Blah.
So right here you can see where the front of the door panel was scratching the floor. So I had to do a little, trimming. But once I got that, everything fit right.
Oh really?
So there you go.
That's interesting.
Keep in mind, this isn't the final paint.
Cool.
And the interior color might change also. But I guess that brings us to an end.
Oh, that's the end already?
You got anything left to say, buddy?
I do.
Nope.
I want to say.
All right. Goodbye.
Huh?